Alright, we're back on the bench with the Super Bengal. Just reassembled it, about to turn it on. Alright, so just some of the things we've done. New meter lights on both meters, polished the plastics, they were in a bad state. Have not touched anything on the front yet, that's got to be removed and done. Tidied up the front part of the loom. Created a manifold with warm LEDs with the wiring. Reconnected all the switches down the front there. I've just plugged an antenna in, we'll turn it on. Alright, so it's working. These, you could hardly see anything before, so when I last turned it on, it's got issues with the LED display. No transmit. Let's go to AM. Yep, no on AM either. We'll have to look into that. This is channel 38, local. I call it a success so far. Spent a bit of time today on it. And we're moving forward. So as far as I'm concerned, all we need to find out now is why isn't it TXing? I'll go over the finals on this and do another video. Thank you very much. I call this a success. Okay, please comment, like and subscribe. Part 4 will come out in the next one.